Hi folks, how you doing? It's Descattys. I want to show you a new pot that I've recently purchased by Boundless Voyage. Quite recently I was watching one of Dave Canterbury's latest videos, and he's actually promoting a 110mm titanium pot, which I really liked the idea of. You know, obviously titanium has its merits in the fact that it's very lightweight kit, nice and compact and so on. But obviously the problem that we have over here in the UK is that when we purchase such items from abroad, from over the water, sometimes we seem to get stung very highly in regards to import taxes and airport taxes and all that kind of stuff. So I was chatting to one of my mates, and he said to me, have a look at Amazon, or he sent me a link to this particular pot. Now, when I was having a look at it, it looks like it's exactly the same as the one that Dave Canterbury is selling. Now, I'm not, saying that Dave Canterbury, none of that. I'm not sort of penalising him or anything like that at all. All I'm saying is that if you're someone from the UK, I'll purchase this particular one from Amazon, and it might just work out a bit cheaper for you, unless you want to wait and get it from a distributor such as the Bushcraft store or Haynes or someone like that. On the website, when I actually looked at the Pathfinder website, it was about I think it was just under about $30 or something like that. But then when you stick the postage on and all the rest of it, that kind of doubled the price. And then on top of that, you're obviously going to get stung for import tax and all the rest of it. So I'm not trying to take custom away from Mr. Canterbury by no means at all. But if you are obviously looking for the pot, go over and watch Dave's video, and he does a great review on it. And the only difference really between this one and Dave Canterbury's one, I believe, is the fact that it hasn't got the motif associated with Self-Reliance Outfitters. Okay, so I'm basically going to take it out. It only come yesterday, so this is my first review. It's not even a review as such, it's just my first look at the pot. Now I've got one other titanium pot, and that's a Tokes pot, and that normally lives in my day sack. It's a great bit of kit. The only qualm that I have with that particular system is the lid. The lid, to me, doesn't sit snug enough on it. So if you were to drop it onto your fire, or drop it, or it falls down or something, you're either going to lose the contents of your pot, which is either water, or if you're cooking something in there. So that's my only qualm with that one. Now, a lot of you will see that in my past videos that I cook on a cast iron skillet, or that I love to use the Dave Canterbury Nestle mug and lid. That to me is top bit of kit for me personally. I absolutely love that. And with me now going down this road of going sort of more lightweight kit than I ever have, titanium, and obviously keeping stuff pretty composite and compact, is obviously what I'm looking for. I'm not really looking too much in lightweightness, because at the end of the day, lightweight, I'm looking for more the sort of, at the end of the day, I'm looking for stuff that I can compact down into say, using a day sack, which for example, I used the Steuben rucksack on the day sack challenge that I did quite recently with the other guys. But yeah, it obviously helps if stuff's light, but I'm really looking at stuff that's quite compact as well. And this seems to kind of tick the boxes. Now, when I saw Dave's video of it, I was like, oh, that's brilliant. I like it. The kit's out there. I don't normally go on YouTube and start searching stuff out that I want. I have to be a little bit scrupulous in what I purchase and all the rest of it. But anyway, when I saw that pot, I was like, yeah, I really like that. Obviously went over to Dave's site, all the rest of it, done a little bit of homework. And then obviously my only qualm was the fact that it's obviously getting it sent over here. And all the rest of it. I could wait for Haynes or the Bushcraft store, but I haven't. I've literally got a link, and I purchased it through Amazon. So anyway, the pot comes in a mesh bag, okay, with obviously a quick release toggle at the top there. Excuse me. Now, when I actually took it out of the box and I had a quick look at it, the first thing I checked was the lid. Now, if I take I'll take the plastic protection sleeve that it was in, and I'll put that lid back on now, right, turn it upside down. It's actually quite snug. All right, so straight away that ticks the boxes for me. Okay, you've also got a loop there on the actual top of the lid, which is quite stiff and suitable. And you've obviously got the perforated piece at the top there if you wish to use it for drinking. And then obviously you've got like a bit of a trough there for obviously water to collect or whatever in the inside there. All right, it comes with a bail arm. Okay, again, which is good. All right, for suspension over the fire and such like. And then you've got these nice, you know, the fold away handles on the side there. Now that was another thing that I liked about it when I saw Dave's video, was the fact that their handles, as opposed to those long ones. Now I did look at the Tokes ones and a couple of other varieties, and they all seem to be these kind of longer, sort of elongated handles that come out quite far. And some people like them and other people don't. And for me personally, I don't. I prefer these kind of smaller sort of handles, you know, sort of like a cup style kind of handle. This particular pot is 1100ml. As I say, it's by Boundless Voyage. All right, so I think the only thing that differs between this one and the one from Dave Canterbury is the fact that it'll have the spear on the side of it. Okay, and basically that is it. How much it weighs? Use your Google food skills, you know, it ain't hard to work out. It's obviously very light. I mean, you wouldn't even, you know, you wouldn't know really. What I'm interested to see now is whether or not I can actually put my, which I imagine I'm going to be able to, is put my Pathfinder mug and all the rest of it in now, and then just maybe leave that at the bottom, and then that's just another bit of sort of kit to add to my you know, to my lightweight gear. I'm taking it out with me the weekend, so I'll obviously be putting it through its paces and see how I get on. So you know, it is what it is. I mean, titanium, the only thing you need to be a little bit more careful is obviously that, you know, if you have got contents in there and they do start to burn a little, because obviously the titanium heats up quite quickly, then obviously you need to just suspend it a little bit higher from the heat of your campfire or whatever. But other than that, it's quite a nice sort of composite pot. I'm liking the, you know, my first impressions of it are great. And as I say, if there's one thing that ticks the box straight away, is that lid. That is, to me, that's pucker. So I'm really pleased with it. And as I say, the mesh bag as well, just to protect it and stop it from getting carbon build up and all that on the other kit that's inside your rucksack. All right, so there it is. So that is the 1100ml titanium pot by Boundless Voyage. As I say, I mean, if you're sort of overseas, you know, sort of living in the US and all the rest of it, then that's all well and good. You know, go over to Mr. Canterbury and purchase it off of him, because I dare say you won't get stung for the kind of taxes and all that we get, you know, for sort of stung for here in the UK. All right, so there it is, folks. All right, so thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also check the description out. I'll put links in the description, so if you do want to go and purchase this from Amazon, you can obviously click on my affiliate link and do us both a favour. All right, so thanks for watching, folks. Take care. Descattys signing out, and I'll see you on the flip side.